to use the Google Meet app for your business. Google Meet is a video conferencing tool that allows you to hold virtual meetings, classes, or webinars. Here are a few easy steps to use Google Meet. Depending on the phone you use, go to the Apple or Play Store, search Google Meet, and download. Open the app and get started. Select Continue. Enter your Google email details and password to log in. If you don't have one, you can create one with the link provided. Select Allow if you wish to have the app send you any notifications. Select Don't Allow if you do not want to have the app send you any notifications. Now you are in the app. To create a new meeting, select the New Meeting button located top left of your screen. Only the people you shared the Google Meet specified code may join your meeting. You can either select Get Joining Info to share, which would provide you with a Google Meet specified code for joining. Here is an example how Google Meet code would look like. You can copy your code to send to your network or select Share Invite button to share directly on WhatsApp, Gmail, or any other social media platforms. Or select Start an Instant Meeting, where you can start a meeting and wait for other people to join. Or you can schedule a meeting for future meetings with your network by clicking on the Schedule in Google Calendar button. To join someone else's meeting, participants may select the Join the Meeting button and enter the meeting code provided by the organizer. Select Join once you have entered this code. Once you're in the lobby, you have the option to put your mic on. We recommend this on if you want to talk in this meeting, as well as your video on and off by tapping on these two buttons. Select the Join button when you are ready. Google Meet offers a range of features, including sharing your screen, virtual backgrounds, chat, and the ability to record meetings. You can use these features by clicking on the corresponding icons on the bottom of the screen. To end the meeting, the organizer needs to click on the End button on the bottom right corner of the screen. That's it! With these simple steps, you can start using Google Meet to hold virtual meetings.